What if I told you that some animals on Earth refused to evolve? They ignored climate collapse. They ignored asteroid impacts. They ignored mass extinctions that wiped out 90% of all life. While millions of species vanished forever, these creatures looked at evolution itself and said, "No, we're good. No new body plans. No radical upgrades. No dramatic transformations." And yet, they survived hundreds of millions of years. This isn't luck. This isn't coincidence. This is one of the most misunderstood survival strategies in nature. Today, we're exploring the animals that refused to evolve and survived everything. First, let's clear a huge misconception. Evolution does not mean becoming smarter, becoming bigger, becoming more complex. Evolution only means changing when necessary. If an organism is already perfectly adapted to its environment, changing can actually be dangerous. Every mutation is a risk. Every redesign can break something that already works. So when an animal doesn't change for millions of years, it doesn't mean it failed evolution. It means evolution couldn't improve it. Scientists call these creatures living fossils. Not because they're outdated, but because their original design was so efficient that natural selection left them untouched. Now let's meet them. We have made our first dedicated video on this animal and have given detailed information about how this animal has survived 5 mass extinctions. You can check out this video. You will find that video on the end screen of this video, or you can go to the channel page and watch it. You can also comment below if you need a dedicated video on any animal mentioned in this video. The horseshoe crab looks like something evolution forgot, but it's been around for 450 million years. Its secret? Small blue diamond blue blood. Its blood contains copper instead of iron, making it incredibly sensitive to toxins and bacteria. Today, we still use horseshoe crab blood to test vaccines and medical equipment. If it detects contamination, it instantly reacts. Small blue diamond armored simplicity. No soft vulnerable body. No fragile organs. Its design hasn't changed, because changing it would reduce survivability. While complex animals went extinct, this tank just kept walking along the ocean floor. Crocodiles are not dinosaurs, but they lived alongside them. And when the dinosaurs vanished, crocodiles stayed. Why? Small blue diamond metabolic control. Crocodiles can slow their metabolism, survive months without food, tolerate extreme temperature shifts. Mass extinctions favor energy efficiency, not speed. Small blue diamond design that needs no upgrade. Their jaws, their armor, their ambush hunting. Everything works. Evolution didn't replace them. It protected them. Now let's go underground. In caves, evolution does something strange. It doesn't add features. It removes them. Small blue diamond loss of eyes. Cave fish and salamanders don't go blind accidentally. Eyes are expensive. They consume energy. In darkness, eyes are useless. So evolution removes them. Small blue diamond heightened senses. Touch, vibration detection, chemical sensing. These animals didn't evolve forward. They evolved inward. And because caves are stable environments, they remain unchanged for millions of years. Stability equals survival. Mass extinctions don't kill everything equally. They target specialists, fast metabolisms, narrow diets. The survivors share common traits. Heavy checkmark simple body plans. Heavy checkmark energy efficiency. Heavy checkmark broad diets. Heavy checkmark environmental flexibility. Animals that refuse to constantly redesign themselves. Avoided evolutionary traps. They didn't chase progress. They mastered balance. Here's the tragic twist. These animals survived asteroid impacts, ice ages, volcanic winters, but they struggle against overfishing, habitat destruction, pollution, climate change. Not because they're weak, but because evolution never prepared them for us. Evolution isn't about becoming better. It's about becoming good enough to last. And sometimes, the greatest survival strategy is knowing when not to change. If creatures that refuse to evolve could survive Earth's darkest chapters, the real question is, will we?